And I don't know what I'm doing now. I'm literally just grabbing pieces of hair. This is the best tutorial in the world. I have no idea what I'm doing. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Karen and this channel is all about hair dye videos, plus size clothing hauls, product reviews and a lot of hair things. I like to do things with my hair. I never succeed but so if you want to come along for the laugh, come on then. No, shut up Karen. So anyway, today on my quest for the best curls ever, you might have already seen me other videos where I use the curling straightener thing and the other twisty things. Well, this time I've seen the bathrobe method. So in this one you take your belt off your bathrobe and then you wrap your hair in curls overnight and voila, you have the perfect beach curls in the morning, obviously. So today I'll be following Shauna Scott's tutorial because hers looks quite easy, but we all know, I think you know by now that what looks easy to everybody and probably is easy to everybody for some reason does not translate into my ability. So we're going to give it a go. So I'm going to be following along with that tutorial. So that's quite good, this, isn't it? So I'm going to start on this end first because I'm no good at French plaits or stuff like that, so I'm not holding out much hope for this. So I keep saying so a lot, don't I? What you need to do is get a bathrobe and a clip. She used a bobby pin but I can't find one. So we're going to use a clip and we're going to find the two ends and put it together like that. Find the middle and put it on your head like that, and I'm going to just put it at me, ouch, me pawn. We're just going to move this bit out of the way. So this is going to be a quick video obviously because it's a very easy technique apparently. Right, so I'm just moving this bit out of the way. So I'm going to follow along with her tutorial and see what she says. Hold on, she shoves this out of the way first. Right, hold on. So she takes the first section and then splits this into two. Hold on, you're going too fast. Going too fast already. Oh my god, right, then put this back. So wrap it all the way around the robe. And then the section behind, she puts, and then she goes underneath the robe and back out. And then picks up another section and then around there, and then picks up another section. I'm sure I'm not even doing it anything like what she's doing it. So hold on, where's the bits of hair? There. Is that right? I don't know where's my fingers here. And then wrapping it under and then taking that, oh my god, then under, this is just not even, then taking another. I'm literally making this up as I go along now because I've totally lost what she's doing. I think I'm picking up the right hair. No idea. Oh my god. And then, hold on, I've lost a bit. No, This bit. Well, hers looks nothing like mine. That's not even much is doing. No idea. I just don't even know what I'm doing now. I'm literally making this up as I go along. No. I think I'm wrapping in a different. Now I'm plaiting it. That's crap. That's absolute crap, man. Can't do that. No, that's no. And I've pulled that down. No, that's not even anything like. I think I need it further back for starters. Right, I need it further back. Split this section. Right. And then wraps the first one around like that, and then maybe a little bit more hair. I don't know what sections we're going in here. Well, that's no good, is it? Put that at the back. Put that at the back. And grab that. I mean, come on. I'm just gonna wrap it. I'm just wrapping. I'm just doing my own technique. This is going to be my technique, and people are going to be going, oh, have you seen Slim on the Inside's technique for doing the curls, because they are so elaborate? Oh yes, they are very elaborate. And I'm literally, I don't know what I'm doing now. We're just not even. We're they're just getting wrapped. Just wrapped and wrapped and wrapped and wrapped around like that. Hasn't even worked. Looking good, innit? Looking good. God, I'm good at this. Right, this side we are going to just YOLO again. We are going to be taking our sectione, here, and then flipping it over. I think I'm going to try for the plait, because I can plait. I hope you're not following along at home here, because you might have a problem. You might have a problem trying to explain. If these are the best curls in the entire world, then I don't know how I'm ever going to replicate them. If you want to see how it is actually done, then go along and click on the link in the description below, where I will link the video what I tried to follow. And I mean, no shade on her. This is my own, this is not going to work. This is not going to, oh, what the hell, man. That's not going to produce a curl. No. What's my problem? That's rhetorical. Right, I've just tried doing this side again. I did it in the mirror, which I found a bit better rather than trying to use the viewfinder. So I'm going to try and put this side back in again. And I'm going to use me mirror. Right, well that definitely went better. It's a lot better than the first attempt. All I'm going to do is see what it's like tomorrow. I'll check back in with you. Good morning, I am back. I've had an alright night's sleep. I did wake up quite a few times, and then I realised I slept with the clip-in I was supposed to take out, but it wasn't too uncomfortable. So, you can see, I mean, they were like that last night, not very good. I think this side may be better than the other side. I'm just going to show you the back as well. So let's take them out. Let's take this one out. I'm surprised these stayed in actually. Thought they might have fell out this morning. And let's see what we've got. mean, obviously there's not much curl from here to here, but I guess the front bit would be the only bit you would see anyway. I'm trying to, I think this side may be more successful. I think the more you do this, it make it easier. To be honest, I struggled that much getting them in. I was quite impressed that I even got this far. Yeah, I mean, I don't think I'll be going anywhere soon. I'm just going to try and throw my head. I don't really know what I think. I'm not used to having my hair curly, I suppose, so I mean, not really much of a curl. And it looks alright when it's like that. I'll show you the back. Was it a success? Would I go out like this? I don't know. I'm going to try and brush it. No, I don't think I should brush it. I think it'll go horrible if I brush it. I think it's probably best just to finger brush it. What do you think? I do like this side. I think this side's quite alright. But this side is a bit of a fail. And I don't know whether I'd sleep with that in that thing in again. We'll get there one day in the art of curling my hair and it looking half decent. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button if you did like it. And if you're not already subscribed and you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye for now.